our 12-inch hand sink with left and right guard cover and faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. We have 12 inches in length, 16 inches in depth, and a height of 10 inches. Included will be the left and right side splash guard cover, and each cover measures 8 inches in height. Included with the faucet will be the sink strainer for the drain. Dimensions for the sink itself, we have 9 inches in length by 9 inches in depth, along with the faucet with the left and right mounts measuring 4 inches, and the height of the gooseneck spout measuring 7 inches. And located to the top left corner will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.